got? Let's see it. Wait, I can't. It's too close. Ooh, what is it? Tell me what it is.
It's octopus.
Okay. Where'd you get it?
We got it at the store.
Yeah, the Japanese store?
Yeah.
And you tried to walk away with a huge 3-pound fish?
Yeah, we did. Because we love fish.
Okay, let's see you eat it. You're not going to put it in some soy sauce? Wow. You're adventurous there. All gone? Did you like it? What else are we eating? We got a little sampler plate going over here. What are we eating today? Squid salad?
And salmon.
And raw tuna?
Raw tuna.
Yeah, and what's this over here? Look at that.
It's octopus.
Let's see Lindsay eat some octopus. Lindsay's not a fan.
No.
And we can hear Tyler playing his video games.
Let me try this one.
Try the squid salad. You like sucking on that lemon? You are so weird.
No.
Livy, try some squid salad.
This one. Here.
It's good.
Let's see your face. That boy that scratched you. I'm going to send this to Grammy. She can come beat him up.
Grandma does have to be kids up.
Yeah, Grandma beats kids up.
Grandma knows how to.
Yes, she knows how to. She's a professional. Ask Lindsay.
Yeah, Grandma beat me up when I was a kid.
Tell us the story,
Last
Linz.
time I was a kid.
Last time you were a kid? What time? The time that she threw the frozen vegetables at you from the freezer? Or the time she threw the backpack at you? Or the book when you were running up the stairs? That was funny. Grammy can be mean.
Grandma means mean.
Not she.
No, she.
And Papa too, right?
You think Papo's mean? What? When has Papo ever been mean to you?
He's nice to you.
It's nice to me. Oh, he beats kids up.
Oh, yeah? Tell me a story about Papo.
One time, when I was a kid, he beat me up with a paddle punch.
What? When you were a kid? Aren't you still a kid? He didn't beat you with a paddle.
One time, as a little girl, I think he'd take me to the park, and he said, "Come here, Grandma, nobody, you bunny."
You're just making stuff up now.
Livy, here.
Hey, did you see our new friends, Livy?
I did it one time.
You're eating tentacles.
And
You're eating the little octopus suckers. Did you see Lily? See our new Lily? There's Lily. Oh, see, they come. Look how crazy they go. Feed me, feed me. We'll feed